Welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank you guys first for subscribing to the channel. I just reached 100 subscribers. I'm really grateful and I thank you guys so much for watching. So today what I'm going to be doing is I have this dress that I want to change. So I'll put in a clip of the dress. So guys, this is the dress I'm going to be changing today. I've hardly worn this dress, so I'm going to be changing it into like a two-piece, a top and a skirt. So I've gone ahead and separated it, the bottom and then the top part. But if it was just one piece without being attached originally, what I would have done was just to split it here. So this is going to be a very short video. So what I will do now is just to fold this in, fold this end here, maybe cut it a little because I want it to be a crop top, and then I'll fold it. This next one, what I have to do here is just the way it is now. I have my elastic. I'm going to fold the end because the end is still very rough, and then flip this in and add elastic to it because I've not gotten to wear this dress enough, so I figured if I split it that way I could get a good wear out of it. So I'm going to finish up and come back. So guys, as you can see, I've attached elastic to the waist. I also folded the end and then folded the end of this. So I'm going to try it out as different outfits so that you can see how I'm going to pair it.